Well, half sun, half shade. You're gonna have to bear with me here. Okay, I gotta go at least to there and all the way down to there. I think you could see that. Okay, and $62 inches. See, this track is 28. 28 and 28 is 56, so I don't have enough if I were to just use this flat bit, because this is 3 5/8. I said I needed about 1.5 inches or so. Let's see here. 1 5/8. See, an inch 5/8, 1 5/8 is 3 1/4, and I got 3 5/8, so I got enough for two strips, right? But I've got my side bits here, don't I? And those aren't as wide, 1 1/4. So see, if I take one of those side bits and fold it out and flatten it down, and then make the first one and the second one, and I think I'm going to have enough. It's going to be close. So let's just see if I have enough, shall we? Flatten the other one out too, but we'll just see here. 1 5/8. See, I have a felt tip pin too I could use. Oh, I may be using this whole thing. 1 5/8. 1 5/8, and 1 3/4. Look at that. That's enough. I got 3 pieces, and then I'll have some left over for other things, which means I'm gonna have to cut this other piece off. And I try to do this with just using my tin snips. I should have cut this edge off first before flopping that down, shouldn't I have? Okay. Just kind of keep pressure on this and peel it up as I go. I could have folded it down too, and then done it. Either way, we're gonna make it work, aren't we? Yeah, that goes right down to the ground. The subfloor is up off the ground, maybe 3 feet or so, or more. Come on. It's giving me fits here because I'm right on that edge, see, as I'm cutting. And what am I going to do with this other piece? You know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to save it. I'm not throwing that away. That's good for flashing and all kinds of little things. Okay? And so now I'm going to cut that. Let's see how I'm going to do this, shall we? I can eyeball that, can I? Inch and 5/8. Inch and 5/8. this was on an edge, I could just hold my finger at a certain point. In fact, I probably could. Okay. Oh, I screwed up. I measured 1 3/8. So let's just see. From there, 1 5 is there. And that's good. Okay. So I was measuring 1 3/8. Oh, at the end. Okay, I got 1 5/8. No, I don't. I'm looking at the wrong mark. Even Joe gets the wrong marks every once in a while. Okay. 1 5 is the one furthest. Okay. There, I've got 3 pieces. I'm not going to use all 3 all the way, okay? But I am going to use 2 of those. I could have been strategic and measured it exact, right? And then I'd have a whole piece of track left, a little piece of it, but that's okay. I can save these little bits of flashing for something else. The part I cut is always the part that I want to lift up out of my way. Okay, that way I can bend it up a little bit. And you thought I was going to have to go to the store. Hey. When you have lemons, you make lemonade. Right? There's one piece. I think, which one can I fold up? It'd be easier to fold up the one that's not on this lip, right? So I'm going to just keep cutting from this side. Bend it up and step on it once I get it far enough. That. Of course you want gloves on when you do this, and still be careful. This stuff is like razor. It'll cut you up in a minute if you let it. This edge. Okay. Now I can just fold it down like that. Okay, I'll get those 2 pieces kind of ready, and on this one, I'm only going to have to cut it a little bit, right? And I'll have a whole strip left, but I can save it for something else. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.